The best scenario that could come out of Berlin is that they strengthen the ceasefire agreement which was put in Moscow, and make sure that all the parties stick to it, and that's, I think, is the maximum that can be achieved, because really all the other things that people talk about, disarmament and political solution and so on, this is nothing to do with Berlin. Really, Berlin should not get involved in that sort of thing. Those are big issues that Libya will face with all the parties in it, and also this is the responsibility of Turkey and Russia, really the ones who initiated this whole process. And now, some people look at it that the Europeans try to hijack the initiative and get credit for it, but really it is credit to what happened in Moscow.